no.
Judge still here.
And you're still here.
They're gone. A little bad weather, they're gone.
Who's gone?
Aliens! All of this flipperizing for nothing. They have abandoned us!
Everybody! The sea is frozen over! Yeah? Impossible for aliens to return! Too much icy!
If the sea's so far away, how are we gonna catch food?
Yeah, what's the point of us starving too?
Then I guess we should be going. We can't just leave the
Oh, gee. It appears that I regret to inform, we are no longer in the catering businesses!
Then who will bring us fish? Some good questions have no good answers.
They can't leave! Not now!
I'm so sorry, Fluffy One. If they stay, then they too become